What was the session like? You just slept.
It was
right?
effortless. I mean, it was incredible. I both times I fell asleep. Like as soon as the music started getting louder, and I just woke up, and it was. I don't even know where I traveled to.
That's exactly. In fact, yesterday there was another lady who said, "Where did I go?"
I have no idea where I went, but wherever it was when I came up, it felt like a rebirth. Like I honestly, a sense of I don't know where I am or who I am, or like I don't even know how to describe it. I'm sure you'll edit this out, but like it felt like I don't know where I went or who I am. As far as like, you know, Azra from Bosnia, all of these narratives, but I knew who I was. Do you know what? Like I felt like I traveled back home. That was much a different spiritual home than going back to Bosnia or back to Pasadena or something like that. You know?
That's exactly what happens in Sookshma. See, we carry these identities, strong identities in our day-to-day life. I am this, I am that, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a businessman, I'm Indian, I'm an American, whatever, right? All these strong identities. I'm a man, I'm a woman, like all these identities. And Sookshma, like you said, takes us beyond those identities. The identities melt away literally.
Yes, that's exactly what it felt like.
And you feel like you've gone back to the home. Like I know many people who said this, like sweet home. Oh my God, this is me. This is the real me.
Right, independent of that's gonna even like transcend. That real me is, I feel like, is still gonna transcend even this body. You know, as soon as it passes, like it's still gonna. So it was really a powerful session.
So this is an awakening. This is an awakening, right? This is actually what is called awakening, dears, and that happened for Azra in just 2 sessions. This is like the entire suite of experiences that she described and explained is awakening. And of course, now coming to Sunita's voice.
Angelic.
Angelic. I call it divine.
Absolutely divine and angelic.
And that's how I met her actually.
Really?
Well, listen to her voice, and I met her at that time. Go ahead.
No, I mean it was just absolutely divine and angelic.
Beautiful. Anything else you want to share?
I mean, I just hope if there's a website, I just want to spread this to anyone that I know. I think it's just absolutely powerful. And thank you so much for coming to LA and offering this.
No, whole world needs this. So thank you very much for taking time. Namaste.
Yes, namaste.